Men, and I use the term loosely. Hey, special shout out today for a viewer named Jeff Burke. He gifted this pile of stuff to the channel. There's probably a few pieces that aren't sitting here, but I gathered up a bunch of it and just shooting this quick video, a quick thank you. And just FYI, in case you're wondering, at the end of the videos, I run a credits list, so to speak. And there are supporters and there are Patreons. Well, the Patreons kind of speak for themselves. The supporters are anybody who's gifted anything to the channel. So Jeff is going to be a supporter. If you've gifted, one thing, you're a supporter for life. Your name goes on the list. And I want to thank you guys. In terms of YouTube, I don't have a lot of subscribers. For me, I think it's a lot, but in terms of hundreds of thousands, no, it's not. But you guys who like me and support the channel really do seem to mean it. And I thank you all. Thank you very much. And thanks, Jeff. I appreciate it. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.